Yung eyeshadow ko, hindi siya nagkukulay. Parang nag-mix lang yung colors niya. Pero hindi siya yung...
Pero nag-base ka?
Ay, ano lang. Powder.
Dapat mo kami.
Isa nung sa concert, naglagay akong concealer. Bago mag-ano, yung palette. Walang wala talaga.
Ano ba yung shadow mo?
Shawil.
Baka sa ano din? Sa mismo palette.
So, ate meron naman. Ako lang talaga.
First thing that you'll do, you have to be interested in what you're doing, your profession as a teacher. And malapit mahirap kung nandun po yung
Teachers Board. We already regard and value you as the professionals that you are. When you
work with integrity, passion, and zeal to yield fantastic results. Make